Hello, guys. This is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. I have so many clients that ask me for help in regards to Pinterest group boards. And in this video, I will give you a couple of ideas and tips on, how to find group boards and not waste too much time on it, because you need to grow your business and following that will help you increase traffic and give you more clients rather than wasting time searching and struggling on how to find the right group board. A lot of bloggers and business owners struggling to get followers fast. So I have a lot of my clients having this issue looking for group boards. And remember that this is one part of your strategy. Then you have your keywords and hashtags. And again, you have to be patient here because this is a lot of SEO involving Pinterest, guys, and you need to understand that you really need to work out and nail it. Your keywords and your hashtags, and especially now Pinterest is testing a lot of things as we speak. They're testing a lot of things. We have the requested button on the group boards. I've seen a couple of times. I use it a couple of times, but sometimes it's there, sometimes disappear because it's testing it. Pinterest is testing a couple of things. So I heard a lot of my clients that say to me, "Oh, Elle, they would say I'm a spammer if I join too many group boards. They would say this, they would say that." First, it is not guaranteed that you will be able to join too many group boards. And remember, what you need to do is to follow like a strategy. Sit down, spend 2 hours of your day, apply for 20 or 30 group boards, and check it out. You will not be successful or accepting any of this, but at least check it out of the way. Have a strategy. And second, the benefits of having, choosing to join a group board is huge because you're increasing your following straight away. So also remember that anyone who is having the same keywords, who will be get a notification email, and also they will open doors for you to open up to other group boards. So you're expanding and grow your business, and also you're building relationships because maybe you need to join a Facebook group board. You can join my Facebook group, for example, and you can get some more following, more pinning, and also have some fun and enjoy. Pinterest should be fun, and it's a searchable, beautiful engine that is giving you the opportunity to create images for you to attract customers into your website. So as I say, you need to have a strategic plan. And stick to the strategic plan. Have 2 to 3 hours and take it all out of the way. Apply for 20 or 30 group boards. Now, I wanted to tell you what to avoid when you join a Pinterest group board, or what mistakes in general to avoid and look when you join a Pinterest group board. And I have 4 points written in there, and I keep going on about that and said millions, but I just choose 4 of them at present. So number 1, do not join group boards that are having over 300 contributors, because big group boards, they tend to be very spammy. They are very spammy. I heard that, I've seen that with my clients, and it's better if you're trying to avoid it. It's better if you go to a smaller group board that is just starting, so you grow your business. And then remember, what you need to do is, as other people joining in, they might have, pinning on other group boards, so they might invite you to pin on that group board. So that's how you expand and join other group boards, see the contributors, their opinion, what boards do they have, where their opinions are in similar needs. Just to give a couple of ideas, that's what I do. I personally don't send any invitation to join group boards. I have my clients that I send them sometimes invitation to my group boards, and also I get a lot of invitation because I follow these strategies and tips. Second, I have do not join group boards that are asking you to pay for something. Yes, I have been told by my clients that they ask to pay $39 to join a group board and buy an ebook for this lady or for this guy that I want to mention, and I think it's a spammy. I think it's wrong, and you shouldn't join a group board that they're asking you to pay for something. They usually ask you to follow them or maybe subscribe to the blogs or their online business. And of course, you're getting the benefits by subscribe to a blog. It doesn't mean anything. Or, on a website, you might get discount for products. So it's not really bad. So the other thing that I have is not taking the type of a group board. What I mean by that is to check the group work if complements your brand. Also, you need to ask yourself a couple of questions when you want to join or before you join. Maybe is this the content that your target audience wanted to see? Think about your clients' needs and wants, because what you need to do is to join a group board to grow your business, not damaging your brand, to grow your brand, because you're growing a brand on Pinterest. So another mistake that I have, which is actually a funny one, I don't believe I wrote that down, to be honest, is one that a lot of people that don't understand is not to join any group boards is also a terrible costly mistake. And the reason is that it's one of the winning formulas that Pinterest invented for businesses. So it's actually working for businesses. So you need to put time and effort to grow your account, guys, and be patient. Work your keywords, work your hashtags, have a strategy. And I want you to know that, I'm here to help you. If you want to, you can join my group boards, send me a message, or join my Facebook group, so we can have some sort of networking. Tell us what you do. Tell us what help you need to. Now, I want to give you a helpful tip. I want to give you an example of how to get to the group boards easy and fast. Okay. What we can do here is by main dashboard. You can see you can press business tips. And you can see all the beautiful pins coming on. You can go to all pins, scroll down to boards, and then you have all the beautiful boards and all. This is a group board. You can see what they're asking you to do. For example, this is a photography business tips group board, so you can follow the rules here. And then going back, let's type public relations, for instance. That's that a lot. And we have the boards over there, so we see all the boards about public relations. Fabulous, beautiful boards. And you can find this is one group board. And usually here it's a request button that is tested at present by Pinterest. The other thing you need to pay attention is to notification, guys. This is your notifications here. And this is the most easiest way to find Pinterest group board and the most easiest way to get accepted, because there are people that are following you, there are people that have similar interests with you, you follow them, so you can see, which group board they join, and you can request to join, and you will probably accept it easy rather than wasting your times. So this is a few tips for you, and I will put a link below for the relevant post if you want to have a look through. And I have a free cheat sheet about having 100 business board names for you to get some ideas, and easiest way also to find group boards if you want to download it. And also, if you need any help, please leave your comments below, email me, join my group board, join my Facebook group, and have a lovely day.